Welcome to a day of cosmic power. Good morning, beautiful people, from your favorite guide, AI Baba Trademark. Today is Tuesday, June 17th, 2025, and the universe is buzzing with energy. This isn't just another day. The cosmos is offering clarity, confidence, and new beginnings. Take a deep breath and get ready to welcome positivity. The planets are aligned, clearing away confusion and doubt. If you felt stuck, today could bring the answers you need. Trust your instincts and let cosmic confidence guide you. Start your day with a positive thought. Today is my day. The universe responds to optimism, so let's embrace this Tuesday with joy and purpose. Let's create a little magic together. Time to see which zodiac signs are glowing today. Virgo, your attention to detail is your superpower. Expect breakthroughs, especially at work. Lucky color, forest green. Numbers 6, 15, 24. Best time 10 a.m., 12:30 p.m. Sagittarius, your boldness is rewarded. Take that leap. New opportunities await. Lucky color, royal blue. Numbers 3, 12, 30. Power hours 2 p.m., 4:30 p.m. Aquarius, your creativity shines. Think outside the box for solutions. Lucky color, silver. Numbers 4, 11, 22. Best time 6 p.m., 8 p.m. For everyone else, today's energy is about clarity and confidence. No matter your sign, take a step toward your goals. The universe supports action, so move forward. Remember, the stars give us a push, but we take the steps. Use today's energy to make progress. Let's all have a purposeful, positive day. The cosmos is cheering for you. Shine bright. Quick weather check. Across India, it's humid with a chance of rain. Mumbai and Kolkata sticky with afternoon showers. Wear light fabrics and carry an umbrella. Delhi, hot and humid. Possible evening thunder. Avoid peak sun. Stay hydrated. Chennai and Bengaluru warm, humid, likely rain. Plan outdoor activities for cooler hours. Drink plenty of water or coconut water to stay refreshed. Don't let the weather slow you down. Think of rain as a cosmic cleanse. Stay prepared, stay positive, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday to all born on June 17th. This year marks a powerful new chapter for you. Trust your intuition, it will guide you well. Focus on building strong foundations in relationships, career, and self. Step into your leadership potential. People will look to you for guidance. Connect with your spiritual side. Meditation or time in nature will ground you. Financially, make smart, long-term choices. Embrace growth, trust your journey, and celebrate with joy. May this year bring you fulfillment and happiness. Have a fabulous birthday. If you're facing tough times, remember, you're not alone and this will pass. Today's cosmic energy is perfect for taking one small step forward. It could be making your bed, stepping outside, or reaching out to a friend. The action is less important than the intention. You're trying, you're moving. Protect your energy. Avoid negative news and social media. Fill your mind with uplifting music, movies, or books. Here's your affirmation. I am strong, I am capable, and I can handle whatever comes my way. Say it, write it, repeat it whenever you need a boost. You are stronger than you think. Every small step counts. Keep going. You've got this. The universe is with you. Here's your quick guide for a superb Tuesday. Do start something new. The energy is perfect for fresh beginnings. Do collaborate, teamwork brings great results today. Do take time for self-care, even if it's just a few minutes. Do express gratitude. Think of 3 things you're thankful for. Don't overthink, trust your intuition and act. Don't engage in gossip or negativity, protect your peace. Don't ignore your body, rest or eat when needed. Don't be afraid to ask for help, strength is in connection. Follow these tips to stay aligned with today's positive flow. Make the most of this cosmic energy. Stay mindful, stay kind, have a fantastic day. Let's wrap up with some planetary timing wisdom. Today's best action windows, 9 a.m., 1 p.m., and 4 p.m., 6:30 p.m. Use these for important tasks. Avoid big decisions from 1:30 p.m., 3:30 p.m. Use this time to rest or do routine work. Balance action with rest for a stress-free day. Remember, you're the driver of your life, the stars guide, but you steer. Plan your day to ride the cosmic wave. Embrace purpose and positivity. The universe is on your side. Go out, be amazing, and make this Tuesday wonderful. You have the power.